Are you looking to make some extra money with an online or offline side hustle but don't know where to start? Tired of influencers saying it's super easy to get started only to realize there are a lot of details that they leave out? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you multiple side hustles you can start today and get paid today. Let's start with an online side hustle. Suppose you have skills in areas like writing, graphic design, or web development. In that case, you could offer your services online, freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com, to name a few. You can find clients who need your benefits immediately, allowing you to start earning money today. Now let's talk about some offline side hustles. So suppose you're looking to make money today. Another option is to sign up for task-based platforms like TaskRabbit or GigWalk to complete short tasks for people in your local area. You can even consider in other cases offering services like dog walking or dog sitting. Rover is a good app for dog sitting gigs, house cleaning, yard work, or babysitting in your neighborhood. Finally, if you're looking to make money today, one option is to sign up for the gig economy platforms like Uber, DoorDash, Lyft. These platforms allow you to work as a driver or a delivery person and earn money immediately. And if you enjoy spending time with kids and have experience in taking care of them, babysitting is always a great option. Now, I know I already just mentioned babysitting as a perfect side hustle, but there's also a thing called being a nanny. You can be a full-time or a part-time nanny. This is something that my oldest daughter did. Some of these services might require a little bit more effort to find clients, but they can be a great way to earn money quickly. And for the nannying, there are websites that you can go on and sign up for offering your nanny services, and the clients will come to you. Dog walking in your bigger cities is an excellent option if you enjoy spending time with dogs and getting exercise. House cleaning is also a good option if you're good at cleaning and organizing. Airbnb hosts are always looking for a good housekeeper as well as landlords. Yard work might include mowing lawns, trimming hedges, raking leaves. If you have a power washer or rent one from places like Home Depot or Lowe's, you can canvass your neighborhood looking for homes that need windows, shutters, and brick power washed. You can also look for homeowners who need their gutters blown out. Now that we're going into the spring, many homeowners will be looking to do spring cleaning projects inside and outside their homes. With more baby boomers entering retirement and their predecessors approaching their 80s and 90s, many already have mobility issues. You could offer your concierge services, such as running errands, pick up prescriptions, groceries, etc. Many seniors clip coupons, so if you offered to pick up their coupons before heading to the store to shop for them, they would love you for that. Here's a thought. You start clipping coupons and collecting the coupons, and then offer those coupons to your senior clients as a part of your concierge services perks. And remember, like anything else, persistence and consistency in your efforts are the keys to success in any side hustle. So whether you're looking to make money online or offline, there are plenty of opportunities if you're willing to put in the work. So why not start today and see how much extra money you can earn?